I'm Ahmet Rasim and I'm from Agcurate. In this project, I'm working on development and design of innovative insurance solutions for 5 different locations all around Europe.
What are the key elements that you need to take into account when developing insurances for biodiversity protection?
So my work focuses on basically understanding the user requirements and financial needs of each specific location, and then co-designing and developing insurance solutions with both the end beneficiaries as well as the financial sector for increasing the private financial investment on this protection of the biodiversity. As human beings, we are sharing and benefiting the common goods of the nature, and we have to protect those common goods to have a sustainable living. Therefore, our work aims to first protect and then restore those common goods to benefit from them as much as possible and have a sustainable, joyful life.